BandLab AutoTune and Antares are two leading pitch correction tools. BandLab AutoTune is designed for accessibility and seamless online use, whereas Antares is known for its advanced algorithms and industry-standard precision. The core difference lies in user experience versus professional depth. BandLab AutoTune is a cloud-based pitch correction tool integrated within the BandLab platform, allowing users to correct and enhance vocals directly in their browser. It works by analyzing the vocal input and automatically adjusting pitch to the nearest note, offering real-time feedback. Its strengths lie in accessibility and ease of use, requiring no installation or complex setup. The interface is straightforward, making it ideal for beginners and creators who want quick, effective tuning without deep technical knowledge. However, its limitations include fewer customization options and less control over subtle pitch nuances compared to professional-grade software. BandLab AutoTune is perfect for content creators, hobbyists, and musicians who need fast, reliable pitch correction integrated with their digital audio workstation online without investing in expensive plugins. Antares AutoTune is the industry benchmark for pitch correction, widely used in professional studios worldwide. It operates as a plugin compatible with major digital audio workstations, offering detailed control over pitch correction parameters. Antares uses sophisticated algorithms to detect pitch and timing, allowing precise manual adjustments or automatic correction with natural-sounding results. Its strengths include advanced features like real-time pitch shifting, formant correction, and graphical editing modes for nuanced performance tuning. Limitations include a steeper learning curve and higher cost, making it less accessible for casual users. Antares is ideal for professional producers, vocal engineers, and artists who demand the highest level of control and quality in pitch correction, especially when crafting polished studio recordings or complex vocal effects. BandLab AutoTune excels in ease and speed, perfect for creators needing quick pitch fixes without leaving their browser. It suits live streaming, demos, and casual music projects where convenience matters most. Antares, on the other hand, offers unmatched precision and flexibility, making it the go-to for studio professionals aiming for flawless vocal production. While BandLab limits deep editing, Antares provides granular control but requires more time and expertise. The trade-off is between accessibility and professional depth. For example, a YouTuber or podcaster might prefer BandLab for its simplicity, whereas a record producer would choose Antares for its comprehensive feature set and superior sound quality. Choose BandLab AutoTune if you want fast, user-friendly pitch correction integrated with your online workflow, ideal for beginners and casual creators. Opt for Antares AutoTune when professional-grade precision and detailed control are essential for your vocal production. It's the trusted choice for industry-standard results and complex tuning needs, delivering polished vocals that stand out in any studio project.